Shaving routine explained. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and context of the phrase, shaving routine. Understanding such everyday phrases is crucial for English language learners, as it helps you get more familiar with daily conversations and practices. Let's dive in. Shaving is a common grooming practice, and a shaving routine refers to the series of steps someone follows to shave. This could involve various tools and products, like razors, shaving cream, and aftershave. We'll break down these steps and the common vocabulary associated with them. In this section, we'll go over the tools and products commonly used in a shaving routine. You'll learn terms like razor, shaving cream, aftershave, and how they are used. Understanding these terms is key to comprehending the overall concept of a shaving routine. Here, we'll outline a typical shaving routine step by step. From preparing the skin to applying aftershave, each step is an essential part of the process. We'll discuss why each step is important and the common phrases used to describe them. Shaving routines can vary from culture to culture. In this section, we'll explore how these routines differ in various parts of the world, and how they are similar. This is a great way to understand the cultural nuances of the phrase, shaving routine. This section will cover common phrases where the term, shaving routine, is used. Phrases like, I'm updating my shaving routine, or, what's your shaving routine, are examples. Understanding these will help you grasp how the phrase fits into everyday conversation. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what a shaving routine is and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, learning these everyday phrases and their contexts is a fantastic step towards fluency. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.